In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a number in Twilio. Whether you're looking to set up a new business line or just want more communication flexibility, purchasing a number through Twilio is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Twilio account. Head over to the URL console.twilio.com. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up and complete any necessary verification steps. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Twilio dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all things Twilio. Next, look to the left sidebar on your screen. This is where you'll find a range of options that help you navigate through different functionalities. From this sidebar, go to the section labeled Phone Numbers. Under this category, you'll see an option called Manage. Hover over it or click to expand and select Buy a Number. This will direct you to a page where you can start your search for a new phone number. Now on this page, you're presented with several search filters, which are designed to help you find exactly what you need. Start by choosing the country for your phone number. It's critical to select the right country code, as this determines the area of service for that number. Following that, you'll need to decide on the capabilities you want your number to have. Options include voice, SMS, MMS, and even fax. Depending on your specific needs, you might want a number that supports multiple functionalities. Additionally, there are advanced filters available that can further refine your search. You can filter by the number type, area code, or emergency calling requirements. There's also an option to search for beta numbers, which might offer experimental features that are being tested. Once you've set all your filters, go ahead and click on the Search button. Twilio will present you with a list of available numbers that match your criteria. Take some time to browse through the list and find one that suits your needs. When you've found a number you like, you'll see a Buy button next to it. Clicking on Buy may prompt you to agree to any terms related to emergency calling services, if applicable. It's important to understand these terms and conditions, so make sure to read them carefully before proceeding. After you've accepted the terms, confirm your purchase. Keep in mind that Twilio will charge the monthly rental fee for the number immediately, so be prepared for that initial expense. Once your purchase is complete, your new number will appear under the Active Numbers section, which is found by navigating to Phone Numbers and then Manage. Here, you can configure all the specifics of your new number, from voice settings to SMS behavior, ensuring it functions exactly how you need it to. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily buy a number through Twilio and begin utilizing its powerful communication capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.